this is just a quick video on how to export or save what's on your whiteboard to your Google Drive. First, we want to make sure you're signed in to the whiteboard software using the companion app or by entering your Google account information. So here you can see I'm signed in, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom toolbar and we're going to tap the folder icon. So once I tap that, you can see that a toolbar comes up here. This is what you want to do for exporting right here. So you click that icon, and then you'll notice up here, if you're signed in, you can tap on the Google icon to make it active. Go into your drive, and while it's loading, down here, you can give it a file name. So I'll just call this one file and click the checkboard box. And then you also have the options of different file formats you can save it in. PDF is probably what you'd want to stick with for most cases. I'll select the ViewBoard folder that I want to put it in, and then I just click the check mark, and then it will automatically export that file and save it to my Google Drive. And that's it.